Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, everybody! Yeah, Santa is here and he brought me some gifts. Awesome. So today on Toy Surprise Daily, we're gonna build the Lego Star Wars V-Wing Starfighter, as well as this super cute snowman from the Lego Creator set. These are both really cool. The V-Wing is awesome. The wings rotate and they do cool stuff like fire lasers, because who doesn't want to fire lasers when you are fighting against the Alliance? Anyway, let's get started and let's get building. All right, first up, we got to do Lego Star Wars. This looks so cool. You know, I'm a big fan of the original movies, but the V-Wing is one of the few vehicles in the new series that looks just way too cool not to be a legitimate starfighting machine. Looks like we got a bunch of stickers and 2 bags. And as always, you want to sort of fold the instruction manual the other way so that it lies flat when you're trying to figure out how to make this guy. Open it up. All right, looks like in bag 1, we're doing the base of the ship and the minifigure. And in bag 2, we're building the V-Wing, adding the cockpit in it, and making the astromech unit. Let's go. This is a really unique Stormtrooper, by the way, because usually Stormtroopers just have helmets and you can't see their faces, but this guy's got sweet sunglasses on, and when you put his helmet on, you can still see his sweet shades. How freaking cool is that? And of course, he has a little baby blaster, because he's more interested in fighting in space, not on the ground. All right, let's build the main part of this. All right, it's everyone's favorite graphic. It means we have lasers that we can shoot out of this part of the ship. Wow, they're really spoiling us. So all I have to do is put them in and then press down on the laser and it fires out. Cool, so let's just load these suckers up. Try not to accidentally fire them as we build it. Oh, look, it just told me not to do that. So sadly enough, we're gonna fire these out. And we're gonna keep building. All right, and there you have it. It's the snowman. Look how cool this guy is. It turns out all along, guys, I really did want to build a snowman. Except Olaf never had a sweet blue hat like this. Also a really cute red scarf. All right, so that does it for today's build. We built the really sick V-Wing that can transform into fighter mode. And we also built a snowman together because it is Christmas. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you guys are having an awesome time wherever you are in the world, whether it be cold or warm. And as a Christmas gift to us, you can subscribe to Toy Surprise Daily. Just hit the subscribe button. We're opening toys and building Legos every single day. You don't want to miss out. Do you want to miss out? Don't miss out. Do you want to build a snowman? No. Do you want to watch some more Legos and toy openings? Yeah. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next time.